Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Tuesday, the 2nd of November. All right, looking at yesterday's markets, we only had one bit of data released. It was from the US. We saw the manufacturing PMI number come in stronger than expected at 60.8. That was pretty much all the data for yesterday's session. Let's move along to our chart analysis. We're still holding an open position on the Kiwi US. That was the original setup that started it all, and this is where we are currently at the moment. We're a little bit behind the 8 ball, so our opening level was over here somewhere, so we're a bit behind. Not stopped out as yet. We just got to play it out and let's just see what happens. We're still hoping for the market to move down and for that channel to hold. So that's the Kiwi US open position. Moving along, we still on our watch list. We are monitoring the Kiwi Swiss from yesterday. It still hasn't come down to this level where I've indicated. So it's still not set up, so it's still on our watch list. So just a quick recap on that. And then finally, let's move along to our chart of the day for this morning. The chart that I have found is the US Swiss on a daily timescale. When I draw this line of support, we can clearly see that we've got one level, two levels that the market has acted supportive. They are confirmed levels because we've shot off both of them. So that means that this line is a solid and properly confirmed support line. We are there one more time right now. And naturally what I want to look for is evidence or a sign that the market is going to reverse as it's come down towards this line. If it gives me the reversal pattern that I'm looking for, that is my signal to become a buyer on the US Swiss. So at the moment, this little candle, I know I've had to zoom out a little bit because I'm catching a lot of data here, but that little candle there that I'm showing you, that's this morning's candle, so we need to wait for that one to complete. If it finishes as an inside candle, that would be our signal, and we could become buyers on this particular pair tomorrow. So add this one to your watch list and let's see what happens from that. US Swiss is our chart of the day this morning. All right, what's on the agenda for the session which is about to kick off? Of course, it's Melbourne Cup Day in Australia, and as the first Tuesday of the month, it's also the day that the Reserve Bank of Australia announces its interest rate decision and puts out its RBA statement. That comes out at 2:30, so any Aussie dollar traders or any cross pairs with the Aussie dollar, look out for that. It's highly impacting data to be released. That's at 2:30, and then the only other bit of data happens tomorrow morning at 8:45, probably before I speak to you next. I'll just add it right now so that you can see it and be aware of it. It is from New Zealand. It's the unemployment change and the unemployment rate figures from New Zealand at 8:45 tomorrow morning. That pretty much wraps up for this morning. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. You can follow me on Twitter, ChatFX, for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I'll speak to you tomorrow for the daily call. Bye for now.